Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Wrecks and Restorations. Kind of a different one today. I know I always say that, but it's the Zylmex McClarren. I got this and a Hot Wheels twin wheel wrapped up in a baggie for 25 cents at the thrift store. I somehow lost the footage of me stripping it, but this is right after I pulled it out and cleaned it, giving them a little bath in the mineral spirits, get all the grease and residue from the stripper off. Kind of a quick video. Wasn't much to this one. Hell, I never even heard of it before. A Zylmex. Don't know where they're made, what the company is, but we get some primer on it. Then we get our first coat of yellow paint on. That's the first coat. And after a second and a third coat, I put both pieces in my little bake oven at 100 degrees for 20 minutes. Everything gets a little bath. Hey, if you like my videos and you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And I do have more coming. Do some touch up on the chrome on the wheels. And since the hard plastic was kind of grayed out, I hit it with a little tire wash. And when they were all done drying, I dipped the whole thing into the pledge. Keep a nice shine on them. Then I dip the suspension piece and the interior and windshield, which was all one unit, into the pledge. Then I covered it up to keep the dust off of it. Here's all the pieces fresh out of the paint assembly, or getting ready for the assembly. Here's a little look back at what it looked like when I pulled it out of the bag in pieces. Play worn, paint gone almost on the sides completely. And here's what she looked like when we were all done. If you like this video and you want to see more, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. This is Opa for now saying goodbye.